Hi, this is my walkthrough video for my programming assignment 4, and I'm going to be using my debugger to walk through some of the functions for this program. And I prefer to use the debugger for Visual Studio 2022 Community, so I'm going to be doing that. And firstly, I'm going to walk through the find by genre command. So I'm just going to put the breakpoint right here, and let's do it. I'll just copy in the example. Okay, so we hit our breakpoint, and I'm just going to walk through step by step. So we create a vector of vectors of strings for the filtered movies, and we have to create a. Oh, let's see. I'm invoking my get data map function, basically just a getter to get my data structure, and I'm using an unordered map for the constant time search, and each slot in my unordered map is going to have a vector full of um, each movie, and within each movie is a vector that contains each field of the movie slash TV show. I can just show that right over here. Yeah. All right, and I'm just going to walk through our getter, and then right here. Um, so for each movie, well, second is going to contain all of the movies in that slot. So my pair.second is going to be referring to the vector full of movies. And what this is going to do is, so in the function before we went into this divide by genre function, in my find by genre function, I used the index number 5 for number 5 of the movie vector, because that's where I'm keeping the genres. That's the fifth field of each CSV line. And let's see. Yeah, basically this just divides, and this goes to the fifth index, and it divides all of the genres that um, inside of that field, because the fifth index can have multiple different genres. So what I'm doing here is I'm splitting up all of the genres within that field. And we're just parsing through here. So as you can see, so far we found animation, adventure, and comedy in the current line. Okay, let's see. And I believe we use action for the genre. Yeah, we're using an action genre. So we're just looking for all of the different movies that have the action genre within the genre field. Okay, this one has drama, as you can see right here, And I'll just keep going until we find one that has action. Oh, looks like this one does. Okay. Parsing through the genres to find if action is in there. And it the looks like we found a line with the action genre. And now we're going to um, push this one to my genre vector. Let's see. I don't think anything is printed yet. I believe my print function is at the end of all of this. So I'm just going to look for that real quick. I'm going to stop debugging. Okay. So after my find by genre function finds all of the movies and shows with the action genre, assuming that the user does input action for the genre that they want to find all of the data entries for. If there aren't any action genre movies, it's just going to give the user a message saying invalid genre because I couldn't find any, or the program couldn't find any in the CSV, or rather my unordered map. And let's see here. And what this is going to do right here, this section of code, is basically just figuring out um, which which fields the user wanted to sort by. So in the example that I was using rating, which is index number 8. And this lambda function right here is basically just um, reorienting or basically sorting. Um, well, it's checking if the user wanted to sort in ascending or descending order. And this is the main logic right here for checking that. And then right here, so when I last ran the code, um, oh wait, let's see here. Okay, so I had this macro set equal to 1 up top, I believe. So what it was going to do was use merge sort. And then we can go through the merge sort function as well. So I'll just run the debugger right here. Oh, I probably should have gotten rid of that breakpoint. Oh, let's see. Okay, here we go. Now this is just a basic merge sort function, and it is generic. It takes in any type of data. Yeah, this will take a long time. Um, so my merge sort function does use helper functions. Uses this merge function right here. And basically that's how my find by genre function works when we're using merge sort. And I'll just go over and we're gonna test out this function with uh, we're going to test out this function with quicksort as well. So go on top rated. I'll go set a breakpoint down here. Right? And looks like we did get to my quicksort function, and we're just going to step through a few iterations of this, or a few function calls. And again, this is just like a basic quicksort function using my comparison lambda function. And we're going in and we're comparing the basically the alphabetical value of each um, index and sorting it that way. Okay. I think you get the gist. Um, let's go ahead and test out my top rated command. And for my top rated command, I'm going to test out the quicksort and merge sort. All right, so let's start out with merge sort. I'll just copy in the example. So this command should be finding the top rated movies and shows with the drama genre, the top 10 top rated in descending order. And I'll just walk through this function. Okay, we're going to have to get my unordered map. And then we're going to look through it, finding every single movie and show with the drama genre. And that'll go on for a long time, pushing each data entry into my vector full of uh, movies and shows containing the drama genre. And then we're going to go down here and I'm going to test out firstly my merge sort function. Okay. And this is going to work same way as it did in my uh, find by genre function. And looks like it's working. And at the end of this, I'll show examples of the function working without stepping through each line. All right, I'm going to go up here and we're going to switch over to quick sort. All right. Looks like it's working properly. And at the end of this function, uh, program is going to print out every single or all of the top 10 movies with the drama genre. And I'll just run it and make sure it works. All right. Looks like it works. These are the top 10 TV shows and movies with the genre drama. All right. Thank you for watching.